Hi, my name is Kylie Gil, and for my final video presentation, I'm going to be talking about law-related educational programs. So law-related educational programs are a formal educational reform that were first passed by the U.S. Department of Education in 1978, primarily as a means of supplementing the civics and social studies education of K-12 students in order to benefit students' knowledge about the foundations upon which the American legal system is founded upon. So law-related educational programs primarily take place within the K-12 classroom setting, but can also occur in counseling and probational programs in order to help increase at-risk youth's knowledge on the negative repercussions of violent crimes, as well as in order to promote more favorable attitudes on just the legal system as a whole, but more specifically on legal and authority figures. So law-related educational programs primarily teaches students on the importance of civic literacy, civic participation, and showing respect for legal authorities and officials. So what students learn in law-related educational programs primarily lends itself to them learning about the numerous legal repercussions involved in deviant behavior, which sort of helps these students engage in deviant behavior at a much lower rate compared to students who do not engage in these programs. So that lends itself to what the research says on law-related educational programs. So a study by Hawkins in 1992 looked at at-risk youths who participated in a mock trial program and actually found that participating in the mock trial program served as a sort of protective factor in deterring these youths from engaging in violent crimes. And this study suggested that because the mock trial program encouraged the effective use of communication and problem-solving skills among peers, as well as provided these youths with positive feedback and encouragement from mentors, that's primarily the reason why the program was so effective. So law-related education relates a lot to what we learned in the Children in the Law course, since law-related educational programs have been shown by research to be extremely effective as a sort of alternative to diversion programs in the juvenile justice system. So a study that took place in Kentucky and looked at at-risk youths who have participated in a law-related educational program versus those who did not actually found lower recidivism rates among the youths who participated in the program. So the study also suggested that law-related educational programs might be an effective alternative to the typical court proceedings and potential jail time and probation that normally occur when a youth commits a crime. So these are my references, and thank you very much for listening.